no bridge. Aha, I have an idea. Let's go on the railway.
Get out of the way!
Help us! Help us!
Hey!
Whee!
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. I'll call for a new bridge. I need build a new bridge.
Meanwhile,
Huh? Hello?
I need build a new bridge.
Okay, we will help you.
Hey!
Attention team, emergency mission.
Let's go!
10 years later.
Hey!
Go, go, go!
Sand is ready. Okay already.
Bricks coming in.
Load the bricks in.
Oh yeah!
Cement is coming.
Much later.
Yo, 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 yo!
I'll flatten the road.
Thank you, everyone. The new bridge is amazing.
Bye, have a great time.
Let's go! Yo, 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 yo!
Hurry up.
Come on, you can do it.
No.
What is going on? Let me help you.
Come on, you can do it.
Let me try.
Oh no, let me call someone to help.
Let me help you.
I apologize for my anger. It's okay, let's build a new bridge together.
Oh yeah!
Wait.
5 minutes later.
Let's go!
Come on!
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Transform. I'll lift everyone to safety.
Transform! It's action time!
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey!
Team, get ready for action.
Teammates, come help now!
Come on, come on! Let's go!
Hey!
Oh yeah! Hooray!
Amazing.
Thank you.
Stop here, let's start the rescue.
Firefighter, ready to roll!
Oh my gosh!
Yeah!
Much later.
We need a strong steel bridge.
Let me clean it for you. Okay, here goes. Come on, you can do it!
Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm back! Bye, have a great time!
It's amazing!
Come on, y'all, let's do this!
Yo, 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 yo.
Remember to look carefully around when you walk around.
Hi everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and helpful videos.
Yeah, so happy. Haha, so delicate. Bye.
Beneath the calm water, a crocodile quietly moves toward the bridge.
Oh no, stop please.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
Help, help, help.
Luckily, the crane truck rescued the monster truck just in time.
Oh no, it's so bad.
Hey, we need a bridge. Let me help.
Okay.
The crew keeps working hard, no matter the challenge.
I want to build a glass bridge.
Okay.
A glass bridge? So modern and creative.
Hey, stop.
Let me try.
Working together makes everything faster and better.
Yeah, it's so great.
Almost done. Let's work hard.
The bridge is done. Teamwork
Make a
always brings
strong
great
bridge.
results.
Let's find a way to resolve when in danger.
This bridge is only wide enough for one vehicle. That guy's gone. Now it's my turn. Why do I suddenly feel so heavy-hearted? Yeah, why are you climbing on me?
Give me a ride, please!
But the bridge can only accommodate one vehicle at a time.
So you're still giving me a ride in the same car, right?
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God, how unlucky.
That's not good. I think you should go downstairs.
It's okay, you can go ahead.
Oh, my head.
Much later.
Yo.
We have work to do now. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Help me! Let's go! Come on, you can do it!
Hooray!
And me too! See, I told you we'd be safe no matter what.
How do I get to the other side now?
We need a new bridge.
I think so.
Yo.
Wait until the construction is finished.
Okay already.
Goodbye!
Thank you very much. I can go on time right now.
You're welcome.
Bye, have a great time.
I can go ha! Stop!
You have broken the law,
I was just hitching a ride.
but the weight is from both vehicles. Please come to the police station.
Come on! Oh my God, how unlucky.
Check out these colorful trucks in their new homes. Subscribe and stay tuned for more fun to come. They are sleeping soundly. So cute! Oh no, a hand monster! Got a feeling he's up to no good! Not okay at all! He's stealing the baby cars! Wake up, trucks! The hand monster is out of control! Seriously, how are they still sleeping at this point? Poor baby cars. Thank goodness for the police car. Time for some serious help and a rescue mission.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
The hand monster won't know what's coming. The police will totally catch it in the act. Justice is on the way.
Oh my god!
Monster kidnaps car.
The police car boldly goes straight into the cave to investigate. Brave little car! Can he make it out alive?
Oh my god!
Mom,
Help me!
Finally, a truck wakes up. It's about time to join the action and help rescue those poor baby cars.
Oh my god!
The children have disappeared.
Oh no!
Yes! Our police car successfully rescued the baby cars! Now, we only need to defeat that monster! Let go of those cars, you monster!
I know where the children are. They were kidnapped by monsters.
follow me.
The showdown begins! Our crew is ready to take on this monster together!
It's in there. It's very strong.
Not as strong as family love! Brace yourself, monster! You're going down! Now that's a good smack! Our team wins, showing monsters that family love is the ultimate power-up.
Oh my god.
What is that? Oh my god, monster. There is a monster in the cave.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no.